Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To Saiful Nizam and Saiful. My name is Muhammad Saiful Nizam. I'm from Department Mechatronics in Semester 3. Today I want to present about subtopic that are related with the power electronics subject. But firstly, I want to thanks to both of our lecturer for giving me some helping with this assessment, such as for finding us some circuit and make some introduce with this chapter. Okay, now my topic that I want to explain in this project is AC to DC power supply. It's about 230 volt AC is converting to 5 volt DC. So in this circuit, as I shown in this figure, there are 4 sections which is divided by transformer, rectifier, filter and voltage regulator, as we known as a regulator. So every part have its function. This part is the transformer, and this part is the bridge rectifier, and this part use capacitor. The 3 capacitor is filter, and this is IC7805 as a voltage regulator. So the transformer I use is step down, whereas is 12:1, and the diode is 1N4007. I use 4 in bridge rectifier, and capacitor value is 470 microfarad and 1000 microfarad for this filter circuit. So the function of the transformer is convert is lower down AC voltage, and the part for bridge rectifier is converting an alternate current or AC into a direct current DC, and the filter is to get the ripple voltage and to stabilize the voltage part. So I make an explanation about the filter part. In this power supply, I use capacitor. The function is to charge, as we know in this power supply capacitor filter. The operation as shown in this figure. I be shown in this figure for a minute. So the DC that is current positive or negative, it was be respect to ground. This is the ground. So it also has a ripple. Ripple also can be defined as the departure of the waveform, and a rectifier from pure DC. Ripple is the amplitude or execution positive and negative, or a waveform from the pure DC value AC component of the rectifier voltage. Then the function of the voltage regulator is to generate a fixed output of a preset magnitude that remain constant regardless of change to its input or load condition. This is load. I use load for resistor is 1 kilo ohm, and LED is to know it have a voltage from AC regulator. Before that, I used to explain there are 2 types of voltage regulator, linear and switching. The voltage regulator type IC that I use is IC LM7805. It will be convert the DC voltage into 5 volt DC. From VI to VR, it must pass through the 7805 from internal and to VO. output must be 5 volt. So forget the reading of the AC input, I just put AC voltmeter to calculate it. And then for output, I just put DC voltmeter. And then for output current, I put here. Now I get the simulation run. This is the waveform. Before that, I shown to you from AC how the voltage can be converting. You can see the flow of the AC or alternating current 230, 100, 230, it will be below the voltage. And then I show the output. So you can see the output is be 5 volt. Then LED will be light on to show the voltage R. So the current is 2.8 and above. So I put the oscilloscope at here. I just measure the current at input AC and output DC. So this is the waveform I get. You can see the yellow line is AC input and the blue line is DC output. So AC input will be cycle will be complete and the DC you can see straight from start to the end. And after we give the DC, it will be high, and then ground back, it will be low. This is the rotation of the waveform, as you can see, high, low. The end of this, so I just stop the running simulation. Okay, thank you for give me some time to make some introduce with my presentation, and I get to explain this circuit. So I ending for my presentation video with some thank you to to our lecturer, Sir Sharizan and Sir Fauzi. Thank you.